and show it to me. Send it, take a photo and send it in the WhatsApp group.
মানে যা লেনদেন হয়েছে এখান থেকে ওখানেও অফার দিছিল কিন্তু ওই অ্যাকসেপ্ট করেন যারা সিনিয়র ছিল যারা আন্দোলন করছিল সিনিয়র সিনিয়ররা তাদেরকে বলে অফার
What we have to do in second question,
আমরা
sir?
অনেক আন্দোলন
Same thing.
No, sir. What we have to do in second question?
Same thing.
মিনা তো বাগানে কাজ সবথেকে মজার ব্যাপারটা শোনো ভারতের যে সর্বনাশ হয়ে যায় 1200 টাকার পরে আরেকটা সর্বনাশ হয়েছে কি বলতো নতুন ব্যাপার সেটা এক্সট্রা কাজ হয়ে গেল সেটা তো রাজা বেনিফিট নেই এটা কত বড় সর্বনাশ করছিল ওই ইভেন্টটা যে যারা নতুন তারা পায় মানে অ্যালাউন্স পায় না যত নতুন রাজা লাস্ট ওই সময় পায় ছিল হচ্ছে ইয়ে যে কজন ছিল লাস্টে ওরা আমাদের ওখানে দুইজন পায় না ওই দুজন পায় না মালি আন্দোলনের সময় দুইটা ছিল না ভোটারে গেছে এটা পাবো এটা তখন ভোটারে কাজ করতে হতো ওদেরকে তো আমরা আটকাতে পারি যেহেতু ওরা ভোটারে ওই দীঘাতে কাজ করে আন্দোলনে ওরা যায় ওদেরকে নেওয়া হয়নি যেহেতু ওরা ভোটারে দীঘাতে কাজ করে দীঘা তো ওরা সব কাজ উঠাই দিচ্ছে ওই সময় কি হয়েছে তারপর যখন এগ্রিমেন্ট 500 টাকা হয়ে গেল ওরা কিন্তু তাহলে একজনের নাম রকম যখন লোক তখন 5 লাখ টাকা করে লোক এখন পেন্সিল টাকা পার্মানেন্ট ছিল তো পার্মানেন্ট মাটিগুলো যদি সবজি লাগাতে পারতাম কি এখানে তোমরা ওইটা করতে পারতাম ও আচ্ছা তো এক্সট্রা দিয়ে সব সময় এখন একটা দরকার না বলবো কিছু সময় তো 3-4টা লোক আছে একটা তো ফিক্স ছিলই তারপরে এই 3-4টা জয়ারা যখন একটা কথা ফিক্সটা করলো আচ্ছা বলতো আমিও ঢাকাতে পারবা না কারণ অল্টা লোকে নিতে পারতাম না না মুখ কেন আসতাম ও পাশে বাড়ির লোক কেউ কিছু পায় না
Not yet done, anyone. No. Just a minute. Want it from you all. I will ask the answer to everybody. Tell me the doubts if you have. If you can't do, then also then tell me if you're having doubt.
I have sent it.
Not correct. Not correct. I don't think yesterday's class. Your one changed into three. In the, you have made only the second first column zero. What about the rest columns? Not done. And only the second one. Second one. Not correct. Mhm. Okay, let me see anyone else. What you have done, Chandni? You found the determinant. Why you found the determinant? Hmm? What I've told. Using elementary operations. What do you mean by that one? This you have done using the minor form. Yes, I don't know. Okay, the answer though. The answer is not given, but this is not the way you asked. Using the yesterday's form that we were doing. Using elementary operations, interchange of rows, multiplying a constant with a row, adding a constant multiple. This I was telling. This one, this by using this procedure. Number of non-zero rows. You have to find the number of zero rows that you have to find. Okay. The rank of B is 3. This rank of B is 3. Answer is correct, but the form I don't think is correct. Abhishek. The form is not correct, I guess.
Sir, row 2 is completely 0.
Okay, not a problem. That may means the position may differ. Second row may be in the third one, or third one may be in the second one. That is not the problem. But I don't. I think the numbers are different here. You have done some, or maybe. Okay, I have to check it. The answer is correct. Answer is three. That is correct. Chandni, you understood what I have told.
Yes, sir.
Do using that method.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Hmm. Yes.
Sir, so for matrix, so I can't make it to identity matrix is getting very lengthy.
What is the problem? লেন্দি হবে না বলা হয়েছে কখনো? Obviously 4 cross 4 matrix is there, it should be lengthy. It will take time.
Sir, what is the
Is
rank
the
of A?
problem is the problem about the length or the you cannot do? What is the problem? How we do?
Yes, sir, I can't do so.
That is the thing. Then Priyodip. The rank is 3. Rank is correct, but I don't know about the form. Every one of you are getting different forms. Okay, not a problem. Rank is 3. Yes, rank is 3.
Sir, rank of A?
Rank of A, I don't know that. I have to check. I have to do.
Sir, we take
Sir,
3 by 3 matrix of A.
no, no, no. Using minor, you can check though. Using minor method, what you are getting. What means a minor method? You remember that one taking determinants like this 3 cross 3.
Yes, sir.
All possible determinants of order 3 cross 3. Acha, I've already told you to change the name. John Marshall, who is this one? Who is this one? The name of John Marshall, who is this one? Hello? Or should I remove you?
Sir, he texted in the message thing.
What you texted? Can't you answer? I can't see the text though. Oh, no one texted. Ritindra.
He wrote his real name, I guess.
Okay. Ritindra. কেন তোমাকে আমি নামটা যে চেঞ্জ করতে বলেছিলাম রিতীন্দ্র করতে পারছো না? And what is the time of joining the class? Is it from 10:30? Vinay, you have joined now. Ritindra joined now, and someone joined right now. Shrey Pratap Singh. What, you don't know about the time or what? Do you have the routine or not? I'm not doing anything for this week. Do enter on time from the next week. নাহলে বিপদ বুঝা দিবেন স্কুল পাও নেই এটা It's not your school. So let us do number 1. Let us check number 1 what we can do. So A is given the matrix 2 minus 2 4 3 3 2 5 0 1 1 3 4. Now tell me what is our task? What should we do first? What is our aim? The first thing is to do that, to bring 1 here or not, to bring 1 here. So to bring 1 here, what are the means ways we have? We have the 3 possible ways. The elementary operation, that is, we can interchange the rows, we can multiply the row with any number or divide the row any number, and we can add a constant multiple with the other. So one thing you can do is dividing the first row, that is multiplying half with r1. This is a procedure, but I'm not doing that one. What I'm doing is, I'm doing the next thing
3
is here
minus
like this. I'm interchanging the first row and the third row. So since in the third row you have already one, so I'm interchanging that one. Is there any problem? So it will become, yes. Any question? Ask anything? No. So what we have done, we have interchanged the first row and the third row. We can do this one since it is one of the elementary operations. And this will, and what happens if we have multiplied this with 1 by 2, this 3 by 2 will come, another fraction will come, so a problem will be there in calculating. No. So we got 1. So since we got 1, so what is our next task? Our next task is to make this to 0. So The first row, I'm not doing anything with the first row. 1, 1, 3, minus 4. Okay. What we are doing with the second row, what do we have to do? Tell me. To make this 3 0, what do we have to do? What operation we have to do?
R2 minus 3 R1.
Huh?
1 into 3 R1.
R2 minus 3 R1. Good. So R2 minus 3 1 1. So let us write. So R2. What is R2? 3 2 5 0. Let us do it rough. That is what is 3 R1? 3 3 9 minus 12. So if we are subtracting this, what you are getting? 0 minus 1 minus 4 and 12. So write 0 minus 1 minus 4 and 12. Similarly, what you have to do to make the second, third, this element 0? Same thing. R3 minus, tell
2 R1.
R3, 2 R1. Good. R3 minus 2 R1. Then again write this one. 2 minus 2, 4 3 was there. You are multiplying 2 with R1. So if you multiply 2, so this is 2 2 6 minus 8. So you are subtracting this one. So if you subtract, this is 0, this is minus 4, this is minus 2, this is 11. No. So this is 0 minus 4 minus 2 11. So this portion is done. Is it clear up to this one? আরেকবার বলছি কিন্তু এরপরে সবার অ্যান্সার লাগবে আমার নাম্বার বি এর। Is it clear up to this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I'm asking everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you will
Yes,
not
sir.
respond to class থেকে বের করে দেবো কিন্তু একদম।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are done with the first column. See, we are done with the first column. 1 0 0 we got. So what we will be doing? What will be our next task? Our next task will be to make this one. Now tell me how to make this one. How to make this one?
Sir, R2 plus R1.
Why you are doing? Why you are?
Multiply minus 1.
देखो if you are doing R2 plus R1, the problem will be this 0 will become 1 or
Sir,
not.
R3 divided by 4 minus R2.
এত দরকার কি আছে?
Sir,
Multiplying minus
R2
with
goes to
R2.
minus R2.
Good. Multiplying with minus R2
Minus 1,
directly.
minus 1.
So it will work. It
Yes.
will what? 0 1 4 minus 12 and rest we haven't done anything. Rest is as it is. 0 minus 4 minus 2. Okay. So what we have done? We have multiplied minus 1 with R2. Okay. What is the next task? Next task is to make this one and this one 0. See here that I haven't told yesterday is that if you are just asked to find the rank, suppose you are asked to just find the rank, in that case what you can do, you can only make the elements means below the element that you have made one. So let us mark this one. So we have made this one. So yesterday what I have told you, to make this element 0, this element 0. What we can do also while finding rank, you can only make the elements below that one only 0. So this was our elements. So below this we have this and this, we are making 0. So here what we have this element, this one, we have made this one. So below what we have this one, we can only make this 0. That will also give you the rank. Not necessary to make this one also 0. Okay, you can do, though you can do both 0, but it's not necessary while finding the rank. So since you are interested in finding the rank, so what we will be doing, we are not interested in the first row as we have done this. So yes, we have not taken, means we will not do anything with the second row also, because also done. So what is our task? Our task is to make this minus 4 0 using row 2. Tell me how to make this minus 4 0. What
Sir,
operation
row
should
2.
we do?
Sir, row 2 into 4 plus row 3.
Row 3 plus 4 row 2. That I've told you, always take
Yes,
this
sir.
in the right hand side. Always take this in the right hand side. The row you are using, you have to take that in the right hand side. Okay. So what is row 3? Row 3 is 0 minus 4 minus 2 1. And what is 4 into row 1? Row 2. It's 0 4 16 minus 48. No. So this we got, if we add this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 14, this will be minus 47. So do 0, 0, 14 minus 47. 0, 0, 14 minus 47. So same thing now we will come to
Sir,
this one.
sir,
Have I
last
done
element
anything?
of row 3 is 11, not 1.
Okay, okay. This is 11, no? This is 11. So 11. So what it will come? 37. Okay. Minus 37 will come. Okay. Done. So we are done with this one also. This one, this two zero. This one, this is zero. So we'll come to this one now. So we have to make that one zero. So 1, 1, 3 minus 4 is there. 0, 1, 4 minus 12 is there. So this is 0, 0. How to make this 1? So divide it by 14. Nothing else we can divide. Do. Minus 14. This is minus 37 by 14. So what we have done? We have converted R3 this 1 by 14 into R3 we have. Now see, we don't have any elements below this one, no? Do we have any elements below this one? No, we haven't. We don't have any element below this one. That means we have completed the process. We have completed the process. Or you can think like this: you are getting a upper triangular matrix, no?
Oh,
You are getting an upper triangular matrix. So when you will get the upper triangular matrix, so this process is complete. So this is the row reduced form. You can write this is the row reduced form, and since the number of non-zero rows, how many non-zero rows you have? How many non-zero rows you have in the last matrix? 3
Three.
is equal to 3. So rank of A is equal to, okay, so rank of A is equal to 3. Now using this one, now you have understood. Now you do this one again, number B, and send it to me right now. Do fast. Ekhoni karo, all of you. Do number B now. Means sorry, number 2, using the matrix, using the same procedure. Do, and now and send it to me fast.
order for ওই যে শাড়ি আর সোনার বাবার শার্ট প্যান্ট আগে বানাইতে দিচ্ছে কালো বানাইতে শাড়িতে হ্যাঁ ওগুলোকে ই না দেখো ব্লাউজ পিস না মনে হচ্ছে না আর এটা ব্লাউজ পিস বানালেও না তোমার জীবনে না পরে আর হবে না না ব্লাউজ তো 99% বানাবো তাহলে বাচ্চা একটা রাস্তা অনেক সময় থাকেও না কিন্তু আমার মনে হচ্ছে কি যদি ব্লাউজ পিস না থাকে তাহলে অনেক বড় হয়ে যায় না এরকম করে না ভাজ করলে বোঝা যায় ব্লাউজ পিস না ব্লাউজ পিস করতে পারো হ্যাঁ করতে পারো তুমি না একসময় শাড়ি দিয়ে রেখে দেবে সবচেয়ে বেশি শাড়ি দিয়ে না 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 আমি বানাও না বানাও কেটে বলো বানাও কুচি দিতে হয় না
Sir, is second one's rank 3?
Yes, second one's rank is 3, but I want to check the form.
Sir, I have sent it.
Abhishek, no?
Yes, sir.
But you got the rank equal to be 4. You got 4 non-zero rows, but I think that's not correct. Rank is given 3.
Sir, I
So
have sent you.
you should get, wait, Abhishek, you check this one again. You should get one of the rows to be 0. Okay. Rest I think is okay, but you should get one of the rows to be 0. Okay, Nishant. Nishant,
Yes, sir.
1 1 2 1, something like this. R2 minus 3R1. Okay, good. And why haven't you made this one 0? This R4? Where is R4? You have the fourth
Sir,
row also.
sir, rank is 3, so we have to make one line 0, right? I mean,
You don't have to make one line 0. You have to row reduce it and check how many rows you are getting 0. It is not that तुम जो बोल रहे हो तुम उल्टा बोल रहे हो कि कितना जीरो करना है, वैसा नहीं है.
okay, sir.
रो रिड्यूस करते वक्त कितना जीरो आया वो देखना है. ठीक है, तुमको ऐसा नहीं
ठीक है
है कि
सर.
जीरो एक करना पड़ेगा. तुमको पहले से आंसर कैसे मालूम होगा कि वो 3 है?
हाँ
समझ में आया क्या
सर.
बोल रहा मैं?
हाँ सर, समझ में आ गया. सर, लेकिन
तो
लास्ट वाला फोर्थ रो तो 0 कैसे होगा सर?
क्यों R4 माइनस R1 करने से तो जीरो होता है 1. तुमको तो 1 के नीचे जितना भी एलिमेंट्स है, अगर सोचो कि ये 5x5 मैट्रिक्स होता तो पहले
जी
वाला
सर.
1 मतलब फर्स्ट रो में जो 1 है उसके नीचे कितने एलिमेंट्स आता फिर?
4.
4. तो सभी को ही तो जीरो करना है. तुम यहाँ पे दोनों को जीरो किया, मतलब ये सेकेंड रो का 3 को जीरो किया और थर्ड रो का तो ऑलरेडी जीरो ही था. तो
जी.
फोर्थ रो का तो तुम जीरो नहीं किया. तुमको तो सभी एलिमेंट
ओ-
को जीरो करना है ना.
ओके सर, ओके, समझ गया.
फिर से करो एक बार.
ओके सर, कर रहा हूँ.
नीवा.
Yes, sir.
So not yet completed. You have to do another step. R4 minus 9 R2. Where from you have done this one? Huh?
To make it 0.
Which one make 0?
Fourth row.
Sorry, no one is understanding. Don't focus on making it 0. What is your focus? Focus is to make the identity form, not making it 0. If you are in order to make it the identity form, you will get 0. But don't focus should not be on making it 0. You're not understanding. 1 2 1 0 3 6 12 9. Then we have 0 0 5 8. This one only, no? And 1 2 2 1. Task is to make this one 1. Is it 1 already?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the next thing? Bolo.
Make three
This
next
is
row
0,
0.
this 0, this 0.
Yes.
So the third, this element is already 0. You don't have to do anything. So what should be the next step? What should we do in the next step? We should do R2 minus 3 R1 and
Yes.
R4 minus R1. This you have done already. All of you
Yes.
have done, I guess, this one. So this. So what you are getting? What is the next matrix you are getting? Tell me. This is 0. This is 0. What you are getting this one? This is 9. This is 0, 9. So this will be again 0, 0, so we are doing nothing with this one, and the last one will be what? Subtracting, this will be 0, 0, 1,
2.
1 or not?
Yes.
0, 0, 1, 1 or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this is done. This is done. So what we will be doing, we will be now moving to the next row. What is the next row? Next row first non-zero element is 9. So we have to make this one 1. So how to make this one 1? Tell me. 1 by 9 into R2? 1 by 9 into R2 or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what you will getting? 1 2 1 0 0 0 1 1. This is 0 0 5 8 0 0 1 1. So you have made this one 1 because the remaining are 0 elements. The first non-zero element is this one only. So you have made this one. So since we have made this one, so what you have to do? You have to make the lower element 0. How to make the lower element 0? Tell me. What operations should we use?
Sir, row 3 is equal to row 3 minus 5 row 2.
R4 minus R2.
First one is R3 minus 5
5 R1.
R2 R2
R2.
को यूज कर रहे हो अभी। R2 को 1 बनाया है, तो जिसको 1 बनाया है उसको यूज करके करना है, वही बोल रहा हूँ। और लास्ट में क्या होगा? R4 को कैसे करना है? डायरेक्ट R4 माइनस R1 है कि नहीं, सॉरी R4 माइनस R2 है कि नहीं?
ओके।
होगा, ये होगा।
हाँ।
हाँ सर।
एक ये ऑपरेशन करके बोलो क्या आया मैट्रिक्स। नीवा, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
Do it again. Okay, Priyodeep, you got some. You cannot use column, Priyodeep. You have written a C3 minus C4, not possible. C3 minus C4, you cannot do row, column, sorry. I have shown you the row reduction form only. Means columns can be done, but in that case you have to do all the operations in columns only. You cannot mix rows and columns, operations on rows and columns. Not correct. Vishal. R2 minus 1, R3 R6 you got.
Sir,
That was wrong.
1
That
2
was not
1
6.
1.
That was not correct. Not correct, Vishal.
Sir, after
Others.
converting 3 and after converting row 3 and row 4,
What
1
you
2
got?
1 0
Oh,
0 0 1 1 0 0
oh.
0 3 0 0 0 0.
Now see. See. Let me write that one. After using that two steps, what you got?
1
Tell
2
me again.
1 0
1 2 1 0
0 0 1
0
1
0 1 1 0
0
0
0 0
0
3.
3 and 0 0 0 0. So
0. Yes,
first
sir.
row 1 done, second row 1 done, just a 0. In the third row, this should be 1 now. So in order to make this 1, what you have to do? Tell me.
R3 minus 2 3R.
अरे नहीं, माय डायरेक्ट 1/3 R3। जब भी 1 बनाना है तब डिवाइड करना
Okay,
है,
okay.
जब 0 बनाना है तभी दूसरा रो को यूज करना है। तो 1 2 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0। देखिए अभी इसको 1 बनाया, इसको 0 बनाना था, लेकिन ये ऑलरेडी 0 है। और कुछ कर सकते हो? अभी बोलो।
नहीं
ये ऑलरेडी 0 हो चुका है, अभी कुछ कर सकते हो? और कुछ करना है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
लास्ट रो
सर,
में तो कोई नहीं है, तो और कुछ करना नहीं है, मतलब लास्ट रो में तो कोई नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट है ही नहीं, और क्या करोगे? तो वो
रैंक
फॉर्म में आया, देखो फॉर्म, फॉर्म को देखो। फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट 1, उसके नीचे सब 0। सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट 1, उसके नीचे सब 0। थर्ड रो का फर्स्ट नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट 1, उसके नीचे 0। ये हुआ फॉर्म। अभी इसमें कितना नॉन जीरो रोज आया? नंबर ऑफ नॉन जीरो रोज कितना आया?
3.
Number of non-zero rows is equal to 3, so therefore this is 1. Okay, don't worry, मैंने अगर नहीं हो रहा है, don't worry, it will take a bit time, not that easy also in the first time doing, and obviously doing online classes is difficult. So
Sir,
wait, practice, you have to practice more. Yes.
so you said हम लोग को ये वाला आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, पर
No,
इस
no, no,
समय
no,
तो ये
try.
नहीं है
No, 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 no. I have told you to try to convert this into identity form. Try to convert
हाँ
this
तो
means the concept is to try, we are trying it to make in identity form, but while doing that one, it is getting converted to some other forms which looks similar to identity form. See, I have written here, but try. Try means it will not come into identity form always. Sometimes it will come though, but it will not come. Try to convert means that was just a what to say, a rough idea to give you, that since you know the identity matrix is known to you, that's why I told you to make that in that form. What is identity matrix? Identity matrix is this form, no?
Yes.
यस
So what is the, see, what is the concept of this one? The first element is 1.
All diagonals are one.
zero. No, don't come to diagonal. First a non-zero element is 1, then 0. Second non-zero element is 1, then 0. Third non-zero element is 1, no 0 is there. So concept is this one. First non-zero element 1, the remaining 0. Second non-zero element 1, then the remaining is 0. In this way we should. Okay, means if you have problem with this one, no, I think you have problem with it. You are getting confused with this
Sir,
one. Yes.
sir,
Yes.
sir, in last question, our second row, in our second row, third element is 1. Why we didn't make the second element 1?
We have to make the first non-zero element 1. Okay, first non-zero element 1, but since it was 0, you cannot make it 1. How can you make this 0 equal to 1? You cannot make it equal to 1. So concept is to make the first non-zero element equal to 1. Let me write it for you. Wait, let me write it for you. So এটা করতে চলে আসো। Write down this one. Okay, so what we are doing, first of all, make the first non-zero element, make the first non-zero element of each row equal to 1. And second, make all other elements below that 1 equal to 0. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll do
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
one or two more classes on this one. Don't worry, because since you have to deal with this one only in the entire matrix thing, we'll do one or two more classes on this one. We'll practice one or few more examples on this one. Then only we'll proceed to the next one. If you want, means whenever you will be what to say, whenever you will be comfortable with this one, then only we'll proceed, because we will require this in the coming things also. You have to be very, what to say.
So in these sums, the answer is not absolute, right? Like I got a different matrix, but my rank is also 3.
No, 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 you should not get a different matrix. You will get the same matrix only if you are following the steps.
Like I
If
also
you
have
were,
a
Like if we do with the row thing, then the same matrix.
Akshat,
If we do with the row thing, then only we'll get the same matrix. If we do the
you
column,
will, no, 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 you should not do with the column. Row reduced means it is already mentioned row. If I have told you about column, I have not mentioned anything about column.
okay.
We can do with the column, but I haven't mentioned it to you that we can use columns. No, so do everything within using the rows only.
Sir,
Yes, Rajesh.
I have to ask one question that if we interchange the row, then the position of the row will change. So uh, then how we will make the lower elements 0?
In that case, what you can do, that whenever you, if suppose you, if you get a zero row in between, ধরো second, suppose you get a zero row in the second row and you have non-zero rows below, you will convert, in the next step you will bring that zero row below and this non-zero rows above. That will help you. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Means if you get any zero row in between non-zero rows, you will bring that zero row in the last. That will help you to do the calculation.
Sir, can we do something like this? Key, we'll check the first row, whichever first non-zero element will be there, we'll convert it in, like we just say first element can be one, and the like below elements we can convert any non-zero element to zero, right?
You can convert any non-zero element. Suppose you have a matrix like this, that the first element is only like
Zero.
this. Okay. So since whatever it is, say 3, 2, 5. Since the first element is only 0, in that case, what we generally do, we don't make the first element 0. Means we don't keep the first element as 0. What we do in that case, we interchange the interchange the rows and we bring it like this so that the 0 comes below. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, do one thing, don't worry. I'm giving you another problem. You will do it and send it to me. Okay, later. I'm giving this to you. You do it gradually. Obviously, gradually you will learn. Not a problem. Not always easy to do all the things online, especially mathematics. We will do this one also. Okay, same thing. Find the rank using that same operation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will do this one and send it in the WhatsApp group later. Okay. This much for today. You can leave. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you,
thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
So I have
Any
one doubt,
question?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir. I have
question,
one
please.
doubt. Sir, how do you know where to stop the sum? Like, where do you know that it is the last
Ah,
step after that?
good, good, good. How do we know where to stop the sum? In this one,
Yes.
see this last one. So what is the first non-zero element in the first row? 1. Remaining are
One.
0. Done. Remaining are 0. Come to the second row. What is the first non-zero element? This is we get make 1. What is the remaining one? 0. What is the first non-zero element in the third row? 1, and the remaining are 0. Do you have any non-zero element in the first, third, last row? No. That means we cannot do anything that we have completed. So form is like this. The form is like this. Form is 1. Sorry. 1 0 0 0, then you will get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, means an upper triangular matrix you will get.
Okay.
Below the diagonals you will get all 0.
Okay.
Sir, I have problem.
Yes, yes.
Sir, while if we have a condition to interchange any row,
Sorry, sorry, फिर से
then
बोलो.
sir, we have a condition to interchange any row.
हाँ, interchangeable.
Yes, sir. So while can all the students same interchange the row?
तो कोई भी तुम रो इंटरचेंज कर सकते हो, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम.
Sir, so
लेकिन
then
ऐसा ही करो, ऐसा ही करो कि डू इन दैट वे के तो मतलब पहले वाला रो का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट नॉन जीरो ही हो, ऐसा ही करो.
then
नहीं करने से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो, फिर से बोलो अभिषेक.
that will not affect on the answer.
नो, दैट विल नॉट अफेक्ट द आंसर.
Okay, sir.
ओके. Okay. We'll do any tomorrow. Other things, what you have doubts, we'll do it tomorrow. You will say, you will do it. You will show it to me in the next tomorrow's class. This one. Okay. The main thing
Okay,
to
sir.
do for your registration. I'm leaving it today. Okay. Thank you. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.